Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. We have a special guest.
No,
it is
not really.
Matthew.
Hi guys. I'm going to be doing makeup.
Yes, and he has done this video once or twice before. Once? Maybe once before.
Once. No, it's pretty shit.
You guys haven't seen him on my channel in such a long time. The last thing we filmed was a food eating challenge, which you guys really liked, and I actually did a poll last week asking if you guys wanted to see him again doing my makeup, and a lot of you guys said yes, like 99% of you guys said yes, so here he is. I've got all of these products sitting in front of us on the desk, and he's going to pick out what he thinks would go on my face, and I can't tell him anything. I can maybe give him like little clues, but I'm just going to let him work it out for himself. Okay, so this is what we have going on. I've got a few palettes, some glitters, blushes, lipsticks, brushes, all sorts. I'm excited to see if he's improved from last time.
Bloody hope so. You can't get any worse. Alright. I don't even know where I would start.
This is a good challenge.
Primer goes first, eh?
How does he know? He knew. Told you his skills.
She's tried tricking me by having two. I think they're both primers. This one, look at the difference. This one's fat. This one's like a stick. She's obviously used this stuff, so we're just going to use this. Do you use a brush?
Well, what do you think?
I don't want to use a brush with this and then wreck something.
You won't wreck anything, but just do what you think.
Use this thing, eh?
You can if you want. I'll give you slight clues, but...
Does this go everywhere? Does it? Everywhere, the whole face?
Yes. Think. It's like painting a house. Do you need primer under all your paint?
Yeah, but I don't know if I put it on here or put it on your face and then swirl it or something. It's a kitty lock on it or something.
It's Matthew proof. Pull it.
There we go.
Oh, that was funny.
But lean back. I don't even know.
I hope you guys can see and it's not too dark.
Do you need heaps of this or is it just like sunblock?
Almost like sunblock, is that?
Oh yeah.
It smells nice. I like the smell of that.
Oh, it's in your hair. Don't move.
I like this.
Jesus Christ. I don't think you're meant to use much of this.
Pretend you're a professional.
I don't even think. Hopefully it doesn't sting.
It doesn't sting.
It's just like sunblock, I guess.
Yeah. Smells nice.
Hopefully this is not expensive, because I'm just pumping it on.
Oh, that should make the foundation last forever.
I think I've put like...
So rough to the face. That's
so
smart.
once I've finished, I'm going to eliminate everything that we don't use.
Eliminate the product.
Just so I don't have the chance of grabbing the wrong stuff. We're going to use a concealer next. Naked Skin Urban Decay. You can see that.
Shouldn't do.
Ugh, don't even need a brush. Look that way, to the window. There's a bump. There's a bump.
There's a...
Turn the other way,
You'll
please.
find bumps everywhere.
Stop. Look at the camera. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, I'm going to be pimple free.
Go look that way. Alright, look that way now. I want to do this under eye. I don't even know what this is, but I'm sure you say you put it on your eyes. Do you have to rub it in now? Jesus, is that heaps?
Not really.
Jesus Christ. I don't know how well you have to rub it in. I think this is just worth. Alright.
Has he blended it well, guys?
Concealer. That's another concealer. Off the table they go.
Well, that one's good you didn't pick the other one. That's even more thick.
You're laughing at me because you don't think it's blended, so I'm just going to rub it in some more. Watch your eyes. Okay. obviously foundation. Is this?
Are we smart?
Is this foundation, concealer, and what? Both. So I just
yeah, but that's a new foundation. I just went to the Milani event.
Well, I just wasted my time because she's got foundations out and I've just pulled them out. I don't know how the hell to do this. But, oh my god. Anyway, it says concealer and foundation in one. So, I just wasted a whole step. For me.
Test the colourblind skills. What match the neck? You kind of go with the fake tan.
I'm just going the darker coloured ones when this bad boy comes into play. Because look at it, it's all stained.
We need a wetter if you're using the beauty blender.
I don't want it.
Then
don't.
You either you can do it dry.
Yes.
You normally wet it, but if not, you can use.
She thinks you normally wet it, but no, you don't.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh. I've never tried this foundation, by the way, guys.
Stab.
The first test of Jones-Mathie.
Look at the camera so they can see the progress. Oh yes. I don't even know if you can see it in the camera. Thank you.
Can you see it in the viewfinder? You did it? Should I go more like slightly?
Yeah, slightly towards me. Oh, like towards the camera if you want.
Oh, that foundation has a distinct smell.
I'm just painting half your hair too. Don't mind me.
Don't worry, I need a shower later.
Is that not what you meant to do?
Normally you bounce with the blender. Yeah, you like stab. You kind of go like that, and it blends it in better. I can't really see. My eyes are, you know, when you see stars, because when you've like banged your eyes, I saw stars. It looks like a good match though, eh? Sachii, you did well because you colour matched me to number 6. So Matthew chose number 6, luckily. If you're watching this, Sachii, you picked a good shade.
Alright.
It actually matches well. He matched me at the Milani event, so he did well.
Turn that way now. What's this?
What's this?
Finishing powder. Oh, I'm all over it.
Oh my god, at least I literally got him the easy product.
Finishing powder. Young Nick's here.
Young Nick's.
We're getting a brush now. What? Obviously that's...
Just picked up the foundation, bro. What's a big brush that goes all over the face? That's your only clue.
Big brush go all over the face.
Because I actually want him to do a good job.
Okay.
He did a good job, kind of.
So let's go everywhere. Do you just pat it on?
Mm-hmm.
On the eyes?
Mm-hmm. So I'm teaching him techniques and skills along the way. So finishing powder is so you don't get creasy or shiny.
I see no difference.
See, it kind of got rid of a little bit of the shine, and it will stop eyes and stuff from creasing.
I didn't even notice the difference. Waste of time buying one of these brushes, waste of time having one of these. I used this stuff last time.
Oh, he remembers. He used it last time.
It's reflecting.
Oh, it's Hourglass Radiant Bronze Light. He remembered the product. So he learnt from last time. I made sure I got him the same. See if he remembered. You did that last time. Last time he chose this brush for the bronzer. When you see me, what do I like? What do I make darker? Like, what areas do I make darker?
I don't know. Just the whole face will make it dark.
It's
really cheekbones. Turn the other way. I don't know where this goes. I actually
Good
don't.
that he knows cheekbones. It could be used as a contour.
Forehead. Look at me. Ooh, I don't even know what's it doing.
Oh, how did he remember under the lip?
I didn't. I was just guessing.
Oh.
Joey.
Jouer.
Rose gold highlighter.
Wow, look at my contour on fleek.
Stop looking.
Here on the tip of the brush.
Maybe just most of the hair.
Highlight on fleek. Oh, he knows.
Turn the other way.
The cheek bone.
I didn't even see it coming up.
Do you need a new one?
It's like, nah.
This one's more intense if you want good shine.
I'm in control here, woman. Do some stuff on her brows that probably won't do much, but you haven't got a little brush. Do you not use that brush?
Oh, I don't use that.
Can I make her brow look like that? You see the...
Like lighter to darker halfway.
So I've just found the brush I needed by reading it. It says brow brush.
Luckily it said brow brush on there.
Obviously you don't use that side because this side looks clean. This side's grubby as ever.
That side's not clean.
Yeah, I'll use that side.
Who's going to use this spoolie?
There's one side's pretty full, the other side's been just destroyed. So stupid.
Why?
Yeah. Enough of that. It's like square at the end. I'm gonna use this pink palette. Looks like it says Alyshia on it.
Yeah, I know, it says Alyssa Edwards, Anastasia Beverly Hills.
It's pretty far away. What I'm gonna use is this colour down here called the Beast.
The Beast!
It's because I call her Beast.
Oh my god, it's so funny. We actually call each other Beast. Like, it's so weird. I'm like, hey Beast, can you go and get me a drink? And like, people are like, what? Beast?
Small shadow.
That is so funny. There's actually a shade name called Beast. So we lean towards it. That's hilarious. That is a very brave colour to use. Do what you think.
There's a white one.
Do what you think looks cool.
I don't think this is gonna look cool at all, but
Remember, black might have some fallout, so I might need to go like this. But it's so funny that the shade name is called Beast. Oh, he's very brave with his intense smoke. Key to eyeshadow success is blending.
oh, I can't blend, so you're out of luck. Look in the mirror.
Oh, he's got like a cut crease.
Stop laughing.
I suggest you use the blender.
Where?
Blend the shadow, so if you don't want it to be too intense. I'm giving him some clues.
Looks like you've been punched in the face.
Do you want any other colour? He only chose black.
We'll put some
Because it said Beast.
Now we're gonna go liquid crystal liner.
Oh, he chose this one last time. I got it out because I know he likes glitter. Oh look, there's heaps of options too. He likes it when I put glitter in a corner.
Oh Jesus, you don't do it like that though.
He always says he likes my glitter in a corner.
Good luck. That was a bad idea. Like a real fine pen.
What does it
Hot,
say?
sharp, wing.
Wing. So what's a wing? That feels like it's going way too high.
Stop moving. I don't even know what I've done.
What is that? I could tell it was not in the right area. I'm like, what are you?
I'm outlining my colours.
Oh, it's a cut crease. A editorial.
Hold
look.
still.
He's doing editorial.
There we go. Look at me.
He's-
Interesting.
He's doing editorial liner. Like, you know, the whole editorial look. Oh, that is very unique compared to last look.
Last look.
Last look that we achieved. Are you taking this or are you actually trying?
I don't want to put this on. I don't want to stab you on the eyes with it.
I'm not scared.
Stop.
Careful.
Nah, I don't want to.
No, you're fine.
Please. Otherwise I want to stab you. Stop! It's going to go in your eyes. Stop.
Wait. Take a breath. Go.
Stop, please. Look. It just looks worse.
I did pretty well.
So what I just used was Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect. Jesus Christ.
Full fan effect.
Okay. Is this lipstick?
Yeah. Liquid lipstick.
And then what's this? Liquid gloss. Okay, so I've got to put lipstick on. And of this colour, and I'm going to go over top with this stuff here. lip gloss.
Ooh.
Close your lips, otherwise it's going in your mouth. Don't you mean to like put your lips together and like
Alright.
good look? Hold still. You make it worse by moving.
I feel like they can't see.
They can see, alright. Alright, now we're going Mick and Max lip gloss. Major flirt.
He likes shiny stuff.
Okay, you need to close. Yeah, it's all over your teeth. I don't know.
I'm curious to see those two products together.
Shiny, but it looks like it's.
Yeah, well, it's meant to kind of blend in because it's
Looks like you've left half of your drink on your lips.
I feel like we need some blush to match the pink lips. That's the last step we missed.
Alright.
I chose the colours that said blush on it. The brands that said blush on it. So
Maxi blush rimmel.
This might be a new trend, like downwards shadow.
Stop wriggling.
Stop wriggling.
I don't know if that's where it goes, but that's where it's going.
Feels like I'm blushing at my neck.
Oh.
That feels a bit better than the last side.
Put it on your nose. Your nose is going a bit red. Now you're just going to look sunburnt. Turn.
That's the bronzer that you first put on that you don't blend. Can you see it now though in the viewfinder?
Yeah, definitely can.
That's why. So do you want to blend it?
In person it doesn't look
In person it doesn't look bad for real because it's actually shiny.
Okay, look in the camera now.
The bronzers.
Oh Jesus, looks like it is a
Use
good bruise.
this then.
It looks like there's a bruise coming.
A good bruise. See, he's actually right though. In person you can't actually see it, but in like under certain lighting, bit better.
Hold still.
My cheekbone is intense on that side.
Yep, and that's how it's going to stay. That's my masterpiece
Are we
complete.
done? Okay.
Yep, that's my masterpiece complete.
So this is the job. Now what actually do you like best on my face?
Just the shiny bits.
The shiny bits. I told you he's like a magpie. Found he's really glowy. I don't know if it's because you added lots of bronzer up there. Okay, I will give you that the foundation actually suits, so at least you chose the right colour and you actually blend in the foundation well. That brow's good. That brow, I don't know what's going on at
It's
the
square.
back. Lips aren't actually that bad.
No, they're pretty bad.
Is that eye teeth?
Yeah, I told you.
Like this side you actually got alright. Like
Why are you trying to avoid everything but the eyes?
I knew you were taking the piss though. You know where eyeliner goes. He just didn't want to go too close to my face, so he decided to. Was it editorial?
I was just outlining the colour.
Oh, the mascara. He actually did alright, but he didn't put any on the bottom lashes.
Would you wear that in public?
No. No. I look really tanned. Oh well. Oh, look at his hair. I'm about to give him a haircut tonight. Anyway. Thanks Matthew for doing my makeup. I actually really enjoyed it. I always love having him on my channel. If you want to see him more on my channel, then let me know down below in the comments. Give us some ideas. If you do want to see him more on my channel, then let us know down below like what you want to see us doing.
Not more makeup.
Maybe some funny challenges, food eating videos. I don't know. Let us know down below. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday at 8:30 AM New Zealand time. And I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye.
Is that what you do?
Yeah, I go like that now then. And I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye. Oh, you meant to wait on time. And I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye.